Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So guys, let us see how we can answer this type of questions. The question is telling us here a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 50 years older than her. Find their present ages. So guys, we do not know their present ages. Now let us assume the present age we do not know their present ages. So we are going to calculate the present ages. So here we are calculating the present ages. We do not know their present ages. Now let us assume granddaughter's age is equal to x years. Let granddaughter's age is equal to x years. If you look here to the question is telling us that a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So if granddaughter's age is equal to x years, then grandfather's age will be let granddaughter's age is equal to x years. If granddaughter's age is equal to x years, then grandfather's age will be 10x years. How 10x? This is what the question has given us. Is 10 times older than his granddaughter. This is what the question has given us. So if granddaughter's age is x years, grandfather's age is equal to 10x years. Now he is also 50 years older than her. Now again the question is giving us grandfather's age, and the question again is giving us grandfather's age 10 years older, 50 years. He is also 50 years older than her. Father's age is equal to 50 years older. That means x plus 54. 54 years older. He is also 54 years older than her. So grandfather's age is equal to x plus 54. This is also another thing that the question is giving us. How? Because for example, if someone's age is 6 years and I will tell that I am 10 years older than him, so I can write 6 plus 10, that is 16 years. My age is 16 years. This is what we need to calculate. If someone's age is 6 years and I will tell that I am 10 years older than him, so I need to add 10 to 6 so that I can get 16. This is how we can calculate. Similarly, if I am telling that grandfather is 10 years older than her, that means I need to add. If I am telling that grandfather is 50 years older than her, then I need to add 54 to the daughter's age. So what I got? We got x plus 54. Now guys, you could see that we got two equations here. One is, if you look here, this is one equation and this is two equation. Why? Because here we got the age for grandfather. Here also we got the S for grandfather. In this line we got the S for grandfather. In this line also we got the S for grandfather. This is what the question has given us. So I can easily write then equation 1. Equation 1 is equal to equation 2. How? Because the question has given us in two ways. The age for the same grandfather. The question has given us in two ways the age of the same grandfather. So for that reason I can write equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Now let us replace the values for equation 1 as well as equation 2. So in equation 1 we got 10x is equal to x plus 54 in equation 2. What we got? We got 10x is equal to x plus 54. This is what we got. Or I can write 10x minus x is equal to 54. What I am doing here? I am just moving this x from right side to the left side. That means transposing plus x from right hand side to left hand side. And guys, we very well know that if we move a figure or a number from one side to the other, its sign changes. So here it was plus x, when we moved to the left side it became minus x. Or I can write 9x is equal to 54. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 9x divided by 9 is equal to 54 divided by 9. What I am doing here? I am dividing both sides, by 9. Dividing both sides by 9. Why I am dividing both sides by 9? I want to eliminate this 9 from x so that I can get the value for x. I want to eliminate this 9 from x so that I can get the value for x. So for that reason I am dividing both sides by 9. Because if I want to eliminate this 9, I need to divide this 9 by 9. If I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should also divide the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason I am dividing both sides by 9. Or I can write x is equal to 6. 9 6 is 54. This 9 cancels out. 9 6 is 54. So what we got? We got x is equal to 6. Now what we got? We got x is equal to 6. Question asked us to find out their present ages. So we can write, we have initially assumed granddaughter's age to be, if you look here to the question, we have assumed granddaughter's age, let granddaughter's age is equal to x years. That means we got this one as 6 years, because we got the value of x as 6. Similarly, here we have assumed grandfather's age to be 10x. That means we will get here 10 into 6, that is equal to 60 years. So let us note down our final answer, saying that because question asked us to find out their present ages. Find their present ages. So we can write hence we calculated their present ages to be, hence their present ages are granddaughter's age, granddaughter is equal to 6 years, and grandfather is equal to 60 years. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to understand the question so that we can answer it. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.